Hi viewers, welcome to Sim Kebab. Today I am going to analyze Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank and a few stocks. As I told you earlier, Nifty was looking for some correction, and yesterday I didn't make a video, but I have updated on my Instagram story about the support and resistances. So see, 10,800 was the resistance and 10,540 is the support which I have gave there, which I have given there. So please, if you are not following my Instagram page, please follow for any updates. Whatever updates are there, I put up on my Instagram story or Instagram post. So please follow my Instagram page. And as earlier I have told you, Nifty is under correction. Still, I'm hoping for some correction. It depends. Present for tomorrow, it depends on how Dow Jones closes. Presently, it is trading on 191 plus. So if it goes negative, you may see more correction tomorrow. But still, on charts, Nifty is a bit weaker side. So right, note down the supports, major supports, which I'm going to give you now. The supports and resistances. The major support is around 10,540, and major resistance would be 10,700. So be aware on these resistances and supports. And if this 10,540 breaks out, you may see further correction up to 10,430 to 10,450. So coming to Nifty Bank, as yesterday on my Instagram, I have given the resistances and supports there of Nifty Bank also. So my resistance for Nifty Bank is around 22,200, and the support is around 21,090 to 95. So these are the major support and major resistance. If this breaks out, you can see more downfall up to 20,800 to 850. And here also, if this is the main resistance, if this breaks out, you can see more up move on Nifty Bank. So note down this support and resistances. And next, as I told you, I would uh, give my views on some stocks. As per 2 days back, I have updated my views on Axis Bank. So, as I told you guys, the my strong resistance was around 446 and 448. From there itself, it had made a low of 415. So today also it has gone up to 444, but from there again it has closed near 426 rupees. If you ask me about Axis Bank, I'm still negative. For me, I wouldn't invest at this rate. If it comes near 400, 380 to 400, I would take a chance there. So again, and Jusdel, as I told you, Jusdel, I was positive from the past 2 days. So the thing is, Jusdel is moving around 368 to 390 rupees. See, it's not going above 390, it's not going below 368. So be alert on these support and resistances. If this is a major support, that is 368, 362 to 368, and if it breaks out, you may see the stock up to 355. And if on a resistance side, if this breaks out, you may see 400 levels, that's for sure. So for tomorrow, same, it may trade from the range between 368 to 390 tomorrow also, and that is my opinion, and those are my views on Judge Dial. And tomorrow, one bonus stock view I'll give you. That is, the stock name is wait a second. The stock name is HDFC Life Insurance. So note down these resistances first. That is 604 and 609, 608 to 610. Tomorrow, for me, HDFC Life is a bit weak. So note down these resistances. You may see more correction from the resistances, or if it opens, if the market opens negative, you may see direct fall from the current price itself. So for me, um, for me, as per my opinion, it is a bit negative. Charts are a bit negative on HDFC Life Insurance. So these are the technical views for today. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram page. The link will be given below in the description. So if you have any opinion, please comment. And if you want any stock to be any stock, if you want any opinions on any stocks, you can comment the stocks below, so that in next time uh, when I make a video, I'll take up those. I'll prepare technical views on those stocks also. So please, thank you. Please share, subscribe. Thank you very much.